love when manufacturers launch new colors, especially cool brunettes, because there are just, I don't find that there are enough cool brunettes. I mean, we have the coolest ash brown now in Beltress. We have some in Raquel Welch, like Shaded Iced Cafe Latte. That is a cool brunette. But there's really, in Henry Margaux, for example, there's 7H, but we don't have, I think it's 7H, we don't have a majority of cool brunettes. They're mostly warm colors in just about every brand. And some brand have exclusively a warm colors. I think it's the mixing of the colors that is the problem to get these cool colors. Anyway, Rene of Paris just launched Truffle, let's see, it's called Truffle Brown. I'm wearing Kason right now. On Kason, it's Truffle Brown R because it's just rooted, and this is a shorter style. And I'm also going to show you Lyndon, which is Truffle Brown LR, which indicates it has a long root. Nevertheless, I purchased these wigs myself. They weren't sent to me. For all of those keyboard people that love to tell me that I only review wigs that are sent to me, I did purchase both of these. I actually purchased them on Shirley's during a wig party that she was having, and she had this incredible deal going on. I think it was like 40% or something like that. It was something outrageous on the Rene of Paris. So I went ahead and I purchased them. Anyway, I thought you might want to see it on a short style, and you might want to see it on a longer style. I'll leave timestamps listed down below in case you just want to see the color on one and not the other, or you just want to see Lyndon, whatever the case may be. I'll add the timestamps for you in the description box. All right, I've already reviewed Kason, and I'll leave the link for it at the end of the video in case you want to see the full review on Kason. I just wanted to show it to you how it looks in this color. So the color Toffee Brown R, and we do have a bit of a root, but it's not a long root. And the color Truffle Brown, it's a medium brown that's softly blended with a light ash blonde. I totally agree that it's blended with a light ash blonde, very cool brunette, and I am so excited about it. I can't say that enough. And I love Kason. I purchased it in 3 colors. Love this wig. So easy to wear. Just your little basic cap, but so cute, don't you think? I mean, I know that pixies aren't for everybody. I mean, they certainly weren't for me for a very long time, but our taste changes. All right, I haven't taken Lyndon out of the box. It just arrived. I think it arrived yesterday, and I hadn't taken it out. So I thought that I would unbox it here for you and show you how it looks. Oh my gosh, the fibers are so soft. Oh, these are natural movement fibers. Let me talk to you about the natural movement fibers, just so you are aware, in case you're not familiar. This is a new fiber. I think Rene of Paris may be the only one that has this fiber. These are a blend of regular synthetic and heat-friendly fibers. We cannot add heat to these, even though they're in the blend, there is heat-friendly fibers. Let me repeat that. We cannot add heat to these. And the reason for that is because it's blended with regular synthetic. So if you add heat to it, yes, the fibers that are heat-friendly will take the curl. However, will burn the regular synthetic. Do not add heat to any natural movement from Rene of Paris. The reason why they added the heat-friendly is to eliminate some of the shine, even though, I don't know what to tell you. You know, the shine, just add a little bit of dry shampoo and there's no more shine. But, you know, I'm not the manufacturer. What I will agree with them is that the fibers are incredibly soft because of this blend. Very, very soft. So we have no shine right off the bat, so no worries about adding dry shampoo if that's an issue. And the fibers feel like natural hair. Very, very soft. I do have a friend that has a natural movement. I think she has it on Merrill, and she wears that wig all the time, and it's still as nice as can be. Okay, let's take a look at Lyndon, at the cap. We have an extended lace front. We have a lace, a left lace part, a wefted cap, felt covered ear tabs. We have a semi-extended nape, and we have pull type adjusters. The other, yeah, lots of stretch here. The other Rene of Paris that I have reviewed, I felt they ran on the larger end of average. I'm just going to remove the zigzag part. Very long piece here. Wow. Yeah, this is long. This is long for sure. I did cinch it in to accommodate my 21.5-inch circumference. And I'm wearing a wig cap and a wig grip. There is some box hair on the front. Let's take a look at that part. One of my issues with Rene of Paris is the part. Oh, this one is nicely done. Look at that. Oh yeah, this is nicely done. Wow, I'm surprised. I'm very happy to see that. Let's take a look at the lace front. I think that Rene of Paris is really working hard on their parts and on their lace fronts. This lace front is beautiful. Look at that. Beautifully done with some of the lighter fibers coming through, but it doesn't have a band. There's not a lot of knotting. I think it looks really natural. I love the way on the color you could see some of that blonde running through. I'm just using a wide tooth comb. Because the blend has heat-friendly fibers, I don't want to run a brush through it and damage those fibers. Very good coverage. Here is the ear tab. We do have some Permatease, but it's minimal. It's not a lot of Permatease, not at all. My opinion is that for Rene of Paris, it has minimal Permatease as compared to some of the other Rene of Paris that I have had. Very, very sleek. Obviously none where the part is, and a little bit of Permatease to the right of the part, probably just to provide that foundation. We do have Permatease at the nape. Density is going to be a little bit high. The Lyndon weighs 6.3 ounces. So we do have a good amount of hair here. I would say it's an average, leaning a little bit high. Good amount of hair, as you can see. If I took all of this away, if you love the style, you love the color, this might be one that may be worth thinning if you prefer a lower density. The style is really pretty. We have some really nice soft waves here. Very soft waves. But remember, we can't add any more waves to it. And once you wash it, it's going to remain the same. It's not going to alter the style. We have a fringe of 6.9 inches. So I think that we have some shorter pieces as well. My forehead is about 2.5 inches. Stays off the face very nicely. The crown is 14.6 inches and the nape is 14.6 inches according to Rene of Paris. And like I mentioned, it does weigh 6.3 ounces. I'll show it to you on all sides. The color, Truffle Brown LR. They're saying that this is a long root. And while I've had plumberry jam, I think it was, and the root was very, very dark. It doesn't, because this is a brown. I don't have a color code. Rene of Paris doesn't provide color codes. It seems to blend in very nice. So we don't really see that dark there. The brown is a medium brown, just as we found on Kason, and it's blended with a light ash blonde. And I have to agree with that. Definitely a cool brunette. I certainly hope they added to more styles, because many of us just love the cool brunettes, and like I mentioned earlier, there's not a whole lot of them. Let me know what you think about Lyndon, let me know what you think about this color. Do you prefer cool brunettes like I do, or do you prefer a warmer brunettes? I mean, I wear both, but I think it's just wonderful for them to, for Rene of Paris to add this cool brunette to their collection. And I just wish that that the density would have been a little bit lighter. That is the only thing that I would have preferred to see on this style. The part is beautiful. The lace front is beautiful. The fit is good. The color is gorgeous. I just would have liked a lighter density. Let me know what you think. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Bye.